in a sense here. Well, I kind of just woke up and it's like 11:30, so don't judge my hair. Anyways, I'm just, gotta do some shit. Gotta go to Chicago. Yeah, pretty much it. I just want to say happy birthday to my friend Sydney, Sid the Kid. You can go, I can't put a link down in the description because I still am using my phone for this. So just go to my channel, I'll go to some awesome news, and then go to Sid the Kid. Yeah, hope your dude's Thanksgiving was awesome. Yeah. And when you go Black Friday shopping, don't get your hand smashed between 2 carts. Yep, 50 million people stepped on my foot. I got my hand smashed between 2 people. 2 carts, yeah. I hit a bunch of people with the cart, yeah. I said sorry to one of them. Yeah. Anyways, hope you dudes had an awesome day, awesome, rest of the day. Hit that subscribe button with your post blast to become part of the AU Adventures Unlimited. And if any of you guys do read my fanfiction, I promise you I wrote all my birthday, but I just gotta upload it. Now, the sad thing is though, I had a writer's block, and so on my birthday I wrote further chapters than the next chapter is supposed to be. So I gotta write the next chapter and then I post it, okay? I promise today, I hope, well, I promise, but I don't promise. I just, but I will try. Anyways, also hit that like button with your battering. And I'll see you dudes later. Bye! Yeah, go eat some turkey, man, and pecan pie and pumpkin and just